Think your garden is safe this July? Many gardeners, yes, even seasoned ones, are unknowingly making mistakes this month that can damage or kill their plants. From overwatering to wrong pruning, these errors are silently ruining your garden. Want to protect your plants? Stay with me till the end. July is a tricky month for gardening. The sun is intense, temperatures are high, and plants are growing fast, but that's exactly why mistakes happen. Many people treat July like just another summer month, but it has its own set of challenges. If you want your garden to stay healthy and beautiful, avoid these common July mistakes. Mistake 1. Overwatering during heat waves. It might feel right to water your plants more often when it's hot, but overwatering is one of the biggest killers in July. Roots can rot, and soil can become too soggy. The key is deep, infrequent watering. Water early in the morning and let the soil dry slightly before the next session. Your plants don't need more water, they need smarter watering. Mistake 2. Ignoring mulching. Many gardeners skip mulching once summer kicks in, thinking it's a spring job. But in July, mulch is your plant's best friend. It keeps the soil cool, retains moisture, and reduces weed growth. Without mulch, the sun bakes the soil and plants struggle. Add a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch like shredded bark or compost around your plants, especially vegetables and perennials.
Mistake 3. Fertilizing at the wrong time.
July is not the month to go wild with fertilizers. Too much nitrogen in the heat can stress plants, especially cool season crops. If your plants are looking tired, use a light, balanced organic fertilizer early in the morning or late in the evening. Avoid synthetic, high-nitrogen fertilizers unless you're targeting specific fast-growing summer vegetables. Mistake 4. Heavy pruning in midsummer. It's tempting to shape your shrubs and trees while everything's in full bloom, but July is a risky time to prune heavily. Pruning can expose plants to sunburn and heat stress. If you must prune, do it lightly and only remove dead or diseased branches. Save major cuts for early spring or late fall. Mistake 5. Letting pests and diseases go unnoticed. Insects and fungal problems thrive in July's heat and humidity. Aphids, spider mites, powdery mildew, they love this weather.
Don't wait for visible damage.
Inspect your plants regularly, especially the underside of leaves. Use neem oil or insecticidal soap as soon as you spot trouble. A few minutes a week can save your whole garden. Mistake 6. Planting cool season crops too early. Some gardeners get excited and start planting fall vegetables like broccoli or lettuce in July. But planting them too early during hot days can cause them to bolt or fail. Wait until late July or early August when the temperature begins to dip. Always check your local zone and use seed starting indoors if needed. Now, here's a bonus tip: don't forget yourself in this heat. Many gardeners push through midday gardening under the sun. That's not just bad for you, it can lead to sloppy work and stressed plants. Garden early in the morning or after 6 p.m. Your plants and your body will thank you. Garden in July doesn't have to be hard, but you do need to adjust your habits. Avoid these mistakes, and your garden will not just survive the summer, it'll thrive. Take care of the soil, give plants space to breathe, and always observe before you act. That's the secret to smart summer gardening. And remember, it's not about doing more, it's about doing it right. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. See you in the next video.